Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install app from App Store without Apple ID password in iOS 16.1.2. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Click on search, tap Instagram, tap get. Then go back home page. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down, tap screen time. Tap content and privacy restriction. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases. Select don't require. Then go back. Turn off content and privacy restriction. Then go back setting page. Tap Apple ID. Tap media and purchases. Tap password setting. Free downloading. Turn off require password. Tap done. Then go back home page. Open the App Store on your iPhone. Tap get. Tap install. Instagram is installed without Apple ID password. Thanks for watching this video.